On question 27, we're converting 20 meters to yards. So my conversion is 1 yard is equal to 0.9 meters. Or I should say it's approximately 0.9 meters. So you'll see here that some of our conversions have equal signs and some of them have approximate signs. So the equal signs, those are exact. The approximate ones are approximate. And the reason why we can't always use equal signs is because sometimes there's just too many decimal places to put, and sometimes there's an infinite number of decimal places. So the approximate is close enough for this section. So this will be 20 meters over 1, and I'm multiplying by 1 yard over 0.9 meters. So again, I want the meters to cancel out, and 20 times 1 divided by 0.9, and rounding that to 2 decimal places is 22.22 yards. For question 28, we are converting 180 inches to centimeters. So 180 inches over 1 times my inches to centimeters conversion is right here. So that will be 2.54 centimeters over 1 inch. Again, I need to put the inches on the bottom so that they will cancel out. So 180 times 2.54, and we get 457.2 centimeters.